Join me Saturday at Pilot House for an open house. Totally unobstructed view. The Pilot House in Coral Ridge neighborhood. Treat yourself to incredible intracoastal views. It's a resort-style setting with a circular driveway and covered entrance, impeccably maintained, with secured access. When you enter the unit, you will be greeted by a wall of windows with breathtaking views. The kitchen has plenty of counter space, cabinets, and a laundry closet. The primary bedroom has room for a seating area where you can capture sunrises. It's your window to the world. The building is on a point lot with 1,000+ feet of waterfront. The pool and barbecue area are also right on the water. Make this your paradise. Dock space is on a first-come, first-served basis for up to a 50-foot boat. One mile down the Intracoastal on Bayview Drive is the Coral Ridge Country Club. A little further down the Intracoastal is the Coral Ridge Yacht Club. So much to do, so much to see, so much to enjoy. Call me now, Karen Foster, 561-212-7769. Again, it's 561-212-7769.